Hey everyone, how you doing? So welcome back to my series of videos of solving LeetCode problems. Now I'm solving 189 rotate array. I've done one submission and it did okay, but it turns out that there's a smarter way to do these things. So first of all, what you do, let's just read the description. Given an integer array nums, rotate the array to the right by k steps where k is non-negative. So if you have an array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and you want to rotate 3, basically you want just to shift everything to the right, and whatever goes overboard you just put it on the left. So if you want to shift it 3, so 1 goes to this position, to the 4th position, or for the position counting with 0, then it's 2, 3, 4, and then the 5, 6, 7 continues back. So the first thing you do, if you want to do, if they give us rotate me like 1,000,000 times, and the length of the array is just 5, so you're just rotating over and over and it's not needed. And you can check here that the k can be from 0 to, well, pretty big. So what you can do here is, first thing, k equals k, rest of the division by the length of the array. So one way I did it was I create a new array. I just append the stuff to the new array. I just initialize a new array with the same length but all zeros, or all none, or all -1, doesn't matter. And I do new array of the index plus the rotation. Also, let's divide by the length of the array so we don't go overboard and we go back to the position we want, equals val, and then we iterate over that new array and we replace stuff. And yeah, it worked. But I just found out there's a smarter way to do it. And the smarter way to do it is, let's say you want to rotate, I'm surprised this works, surprised someone even found this out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's say you want to rotate 2. So 2, you come over here. So what you do is you reverse this part. So it's 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. And then you reverse the previous part. Whoa, wait a minute. And it becomes 2, 1. Actually, yeah, I messed this up a little. Okay. And now you reverse everything. So it's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2. Oh wait, no. Oh, I did it wrong. If you wanted to rotate not 2, but rotate length -2. So if you wanted to rotate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is the result that you would get. Because you would put the position into the 5th position, and that. So the rule is, and I'm going to code it. And let's do this example that I did on Paint. So 1 to 7, rotate 2. 6, 7, and now rotate 2. K equals k, rest of the division by length of nums. And now we do nums from 0 to length of nums minus k equals that thing reversed. And we do the same thing to the other part. So onward. And now nums equals nums reversed. Let's just print. I'm just going to put a breakpoint here so I can figure out what's going on. 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Seems like I rotated it backwards. I wonder if I remove this, what happens? I guess I'm like rotating it to the left this way. So if I'm rotating it to the left, but I want to rotate it to the right. I wonder why this is. 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. But it should be 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Maybe I saw things wrong. Nums 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, this is correct. Yeah, no, this is right. I don't know why I thought that was wrong. Submit. Okay, free. Wow, really? So weird. Five, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't need this 0 here. See, what was rotated? 4, 3, 2, 1. So 4 of them were rotated. Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 6, 7. So it's 4, 3, 2, 1, and then I rotate this once. I'm not checking the end. Five, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. Is this what's being returned? 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I need to do this. Let's see if this works. Okay, why did this work? So here I was replacing the variable nums with this value. But here, I'm kind of like replacing the content. I don't fully understand why, because I'm not entirely sure about this. but I know that this worked. Well, hope you guys enjoyed it.